This is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls for this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then find and enter the passwords and accounts category, and in here make sure to remove all Google accounts if you have any. Once this step is out of the way, you can get back to the main settings page, re-enter another category, this time it's going to be Google. Then go for Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next. Then sign into your child's Google account. So enter its credentials, starting with email and follow it by inputting the password. So I'll quickly do that off the screen in order to make this process, more secure and quick. By the way, if you do not have the Google account for your child that you can use, you can just sign up for one. Due to this page, as you can see, it has the create account button for such cases. And well, creating a new Google account should not occupy a lot of time, so you can do that in a few minutes or so. So as I was saying, input the email, then follow it by entering the account password. Then proceed with the Google sign-in as you would normally do. After the child's Google account was successfully signed into, you will need to select it from the list of Google accounts added to this device that we should be forwarded to in a few moments, so let's wait. So here it is. So tap on it and therefore select it. Then we will need to enter another Google account credentials, but this time for the Google account that you will be using to supervise your child, or simply saying the parental Google account. So do exactly as you did previously, input the email, then password. After that, you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page. In here, scroll it all the way down and type in the child's Google account password one more time. Then tap at the agree button to your bottom right. In the following pop-up window, or dialog window rather, go for the allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. So our accounts were successfully linked. Now we can proceed. So in here, skip the step. There is no importance or significance in it, so there is no reason to tackle the app management at the current moment. The same applies for filters and settings. And from here, basically, if the device that is highlighted over here in the bold font is the phone or tablet that you will be using to supervise your child's activity, you can just go ahead and tap at the blue Install Family Link button over here and get the required app automatically downloaded and installed on your parental phone. Or you can absolutely do that manually by going for skip. This will finish the setup. Now take whatever phone or device you wanted to supervise your child from and download the free Family Link app by Google. So I guess that's an alarm playing or something. Well, not important. Let me just turn off the sounds. So once the app was installed, you gotta launch it. In here, make sure to sign into the app with the parental Google account. And in the Google Family Link app, you can do such things as monitor your child's app activity and set up the app limits, as well as set the daily device usage limits or downtime routine, apply content restrictions and age filters for apps, configure account settings, manage devices if you have multiple supervisees, monitor your child's location, and see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.